lit by an old woman dressed all in black, so wise. A stone house by the seaside, worn down by the spray, just beneath the hillside grave where the crosses sway. I come from the south, and by every road I go back, and in my voice some nights there's a cry untamed, a blend of a tribal song and the skies of Spain, storms that rise from winds I know, fury in their throat, endless words at afternoon.